Turtuk. It's every rider's dream to visit Turtuk once when they are in Ladakh. But what do we know about Turtuk? What's the history of Turtuk? We just saw a few highlights of what had happened back in 1971 in the intro. At the end of Indo-Pakistan War of 1947, Turtuk came under control of Pakistan. It was after 24 years, India recaptured Turtuk. Turtuk village is in the Leh district of Jammu and Kashmir. It's because of our Indian army today we can witness Turtuk village. The village has only 80 families and gets electricity for only 4 hours in the entire day. Turtuk was open to tourists in year 2009. People here live a very basic and simple life. They have a wide range of organic food cultivation, with apricots being the famous of all. It is the last major village where tourist activity is allowed before the line of control. So guys, let's explore this beautiful village.
I woke up pissed off today, and baby everyone feels fake. Somewhere I lost a piece of me, smoking cigarettes on balconies. But I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone and you're on the other side, so when your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. When you're screaming but they only hear you whisper, I'll be loud for you, I'll be loud for you. I got you, I promise. Let me be honest. Love is a road that goes both ways. When your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. But you gotta be there for me too. Took a toll on me, but I made it with you next to me. Around the world and back again. I hope you're waiting at the end. But I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone and you're on the other side, so when your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. When you're screaming but they only hear you whisper, I'll be loud for you, I'll be loud for you. I got you, I promise. Let me be honest. Love is a road that goes both ways. When your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there